Hi guys, I just the cheesecake guys are cooking guys. So probably more than an hour because I have 5 eggs in it, but it's not hour yet. But so it's right here guys. The corn. I melt this with water guys and it's hard, so I put a little liquid in there so that warm, and so that's why there's corn in here. Just gonna try it out. Got a lot of dishes guys. I just boiled the two coconut milk, one evaporated milk, condensed milk, and then the whole corn. And this is 1 cup of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of water, but I think more than 1/2 cup because I put cold water, so that's why it got hardened. Ay! Ay, sorry guys. Oh no. My spatula guys. Ay, my spatula are not big. No. That's okay guys, because it's a mess. Oh no. I'm just gonna, sorry about that guys. Oh yeah, supposed to be I'm using this one. Sige. Okay. Sorry about the mess guys. So yeah. Okay. Oh, need to use this spatula because they harden quick guys, so okay guys, I'm gonna cook